are going to discuss our sixth one. What is that? A cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii are equal heights. So here this one will be r, means this is also r. So this is the radius. This is the height. This is also height. Both are equals. So here HC and H cone. Let's going to take cylinder HC1 and this one will be HC2. Then here RC2, this is RC1. That means show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. So this is cylinder and this is cone. So radius of the cylinder, radius of the cone will be equal to radius of the cylinder. Then height of cone will be equal to height of the cylinder. So that will be here. They are telling that radius of the cone RC2 will be equal to RC1. That will be equal, and HC2 will be equal to HC1. So height of the cones and height of the cylinders are equal. Then what are the volumes? So volume of cylinder. So volume of the cylinder, that will be equal to volume of the cylinder. Let's take V1. So volume of the cylinder means, so the volume will be complete shape, the complete volume. Let's going to take this one as, so this is the area of, so this is the area of the circle. It is extended up to height. So area of the circle is pi r square. Up to how much it's extended? H, height. So that will be equal to, V1 will be equal to pi r square H. This is the value of the cylinder. So this is what you can say here is volume of the cylinder is R C1. Let's take R C1 and H C1. Pi r square H. That one you can take it. Since it is, then what is the next one? So volume of the cone. So volume of cone V2 will be equal to, that is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder. 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. So that is 1/3 pi r square H. This is volume of the cylinder and volume of the cone. That is volume of the cone will be equal to here RC2 and HC2. So since they are both are equal, then what you can say here is volumes. Their volumes are in the ratios. So what you can say volume of the ratios, you can take it as volume of the cone and volume of the cylinder, and volume of the cylinder is to volume of the cone, that will be equal to what you can say. So pi r square H is to 1/3 pi r square H. Since both are equal, then what you can say here is, so these are the both are equal, since it is, so volume of the cone means C1 C1, then C2 C2. Both are equal, right? For that, what you can say, both will going to cancel. So this can be, you can write it in the format pi r square H by 1/3 pi r square H. This one C1 C1, C2 C2. So this one will going to reciprocate. This one will going to reciprocate, that is 3 pi r C1 square H C1 whole divided by pi r C2 whole square H C2 whole. Sorry, here will not get square. So let's going to cancel. Both are equal, right? So for that we need to cancel. Then what we will get it here? So final value will be equal to 3. Here 1 is there. 3/1 we will get it as 3:1. Hence we are shown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello friends, welcome to Danu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our 7th question. The shape of solid iron rod is cylindrical. So this is cylindrical shape. So this is cylinder rod in cylinder shape. Its height is 11 centimeter. So what is the height of this? And the diameter is 7 centimeter. Let's going to draw. This is the diameter. So what is the diameter? This is the diameter, and what is its height from the center? It will going to elongate like this. So what is this? Let's going to write it the values of on this. So let's going to take this one as diameter is this one and height is this one. So diameter will be equal to 7 centimeter. Then height will be equal to 11 centimeter. Then find the total volume of the 50 such rods. So first we have to find the volume of each rod. So volume of each rod will be equal to, rod is in the format of cylinder. So for that we need to write what is the volume of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder always is extended with the one circle. The circle area is extended with the height. That is circle area into height. That is pi r square into h. So this is the formula for the cylinder. So let's going to allocate this. Then we will get it. So this area will be going to extend the circle. So actually the radius will be equal to, r will be equal to d by 2. That is d will be 7 by 2. Let's keep it like that, 7 by 2 centimeters. Then volume of the cylinder, then volume of the rod, both are equal. So volume of rod will be equal to pi r square h. So here pi will be equal to 22 by 7, r will be equal to 7 by 2 whole square, h is nothing but 11. So let's move on to this, extend this, 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 11. 7 will going to cancel, then 2 1s are 2 11s are. So 11 into 7 by 2. So what value we will get it? So 11 into 11, what is the answer? 11 into 11, 121 into 7. So we will get 847 by 2. Keep this value as it is. Keep this value here. That is the cubic centimeter cc, or you can say centimeter cube. So this is the volume of rod. Let's keep it volume of VR. Then what you can say here is volume of the rod, we can take it as VR. Then we need to find what is the volume of 50 such rods. So volume of 50 rods. Therefore volume of 50 rods will be equal to 50 into volume of each rod, that is VR. So 50 into, what you can say here is 847 by 2. So let's going to cancel, 2 1s are 2 25s are. So what value we will get is 25 into 847. The final value will be equal to 847 into 25. We will get 21,175 centimeter cube. This is the volume of 50 such rods. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.